This is Simon. He's a very cute cat. He's waiting for me to pet him. There you go. Good kitty. Get in the box. Get in the box. Oof, it moves. It moves. He's not interested. Simon! Come here. What you being weird? What you being weird? What you being weird? What you being weird? What you being weird about? What you being weird?
See if he'll come on your lap.
He doesn't want to come on my lap. He just wants me to sit here and pet him. There you go.
Go play in your box.
Go play in the box.